Your pages are live, but invisible on Google. You've optimized, published, even shared, yet Google refuses to index it. In this video, I'll show you exactly why that happens and how to fix it using the Google Search Console URL Inspection tool, step by step. If you want your content to rank and stay visible in 2025's AI-driven search, stick around. Let's start with why your URLs don't appear in Google search results. Google's AI has evolved. It no longer indexes everything automatically. It now prioritizes intent, quality, and user experience. Here are the top 3 reasons your pages stay invisible. AI-driven filtering. Google's systems skip low-value or redundant pages, thin or duplicate content. If your page doesn't add new value, it won't be indexed. Weak UX signals, slow load time, poor mobile experience, or no engagement metrics, all red flags for Google. Now, let us talk about your best friend for fixing this, the Google Search Console URL Inspection tool. To access it, open Google Search Console, paste your URL in the top search bar, hit enter. You'll see details about crawl status, did Googlebot access it? Index status, is it in the index? Coverage, are there issues blocking it? If you see messages like discovered, currently not indexed, or crawled, not indexed, that's where you need to act. Now let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Inspect and request indexing. Click on Request Indexing in GSC. This tells Google to recrawl your page. Step 2. Update your content quality and structure. Make sure your page adds unique value. Add visuals, internal links, and optimize your headings for search intent. Step 3. Optimize core web vitals. Improve load speed, interactivity, and layout stability. Tools like PageSpeed Insights can help. Step 4. Refresh site. Ensure your sitemap is updated and resubmitted in GSC. Use XML format and include only valuable pages. In 2025, Google's algorithm is AI-driven. It understands meaning, not just keywords. Here's how to stay future-ready. Use natural language queries. Write content like people speak. This helps with voice search. Add schema markup. It helps Google understand your content type, article, product, etc. Focus on conversational content. Answer questions your audience asks in natural tone. The more you match user intent, the more likely your page gets indexed fast. So let's recap what we learned. Why Google skips some URLs. How to inspect and fix indexing issues. How AI and voice search impact SEO visibility. Remember, in 2025, SEO isn't just about keywords. It's about AI understanding, content, experience, and user intent. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow at sobujalways for more weekly SEO and AI marketing tips. Let's make Google love your website again. Your URL isn't indexed on Google. In this step-by-step 2025 guide, you'll learn how to use the Google Search Console URL Inspection tool to fix indexing issues fast. We'll cover why your pages aren't getting indexed, how Google's AI filters low-value content, how to request reindexing in GSC, voice search plus UX optimization, AI-driven SEO strategies that actually work. Modern SEO equals AI plus user intent plus experience. Start fixing your visibility today. Follow Sheikh Sobuj for daily SEO strategies.